Withdrawing funds from Chase Bank can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the withdrawal process. Step 1. Gather necessary information. Before you begin, make sure you have your Chase Bank account number, identification like a driver's license or passport, and any necessary account information handy. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal methods. Decide how you want to withdraw your funds. You can use an ATM, visit a branch, or transfer funds online. Each method has its own process. Step 3. Using an ATM. If you choose to use an ATM, locate a Chase ATM near you. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select the withdrawal option. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw and complete the transaction. Step 4. Visiting a branch. If you prefer to withdraw funds in person, visit a local Chase Bank branch. Approach a teller, present your identification and account information, and request the amount you wish to withdraw. The teller will process your request. Step 5. Online transfer. To withdraw funds online, log into your Chase Bank account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to the transfer section, select the account you want to withdraw from, and follow the prompts to transfer the funds to another account or request a check. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully withdrawn your funds from Chase Bank. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Chase customer service for assistance.